Okay, I just went ahead and tapped the breaker bar with this 5-pound sledge. Just gave it a couple of taps and it just broke free, so it's coming apart just fine, which is super. And I'm just gonna take the collar off. You can see that this 78-year-old seal is coming free, and that's a beautiful thing. So get a look-see, and then we'll be able to take the piston out on the inside and get a look-see and see what that looks like. Okay, so that's off. That's what she looks like. It's pretty basic. Set that aside. Go ahead and pull this piston out here. And boy, there she is after all those years. Okay, so it looks like that looks pretty grody. You know, that top seal is toast. Looks like there's 3 seals total incorporated in this piston assembly. So there she is after 78 years of being in that can all these years. And then take a look at the cylinder itself. Try to get it into a position where I can view it. But if I get my light, I can get in there and look at it real good. Anyways, I'll update you in a sec.